Hi, I'm Nick and I'm the robot welding operator. Yeah, so the jobs for the robot are repetitive jobs, so large quantities. The transition from manual welding to robotic welding takes a bit of time, but within like 2 or 3 days, it's easy enough to pick it up. When we get the job in, we tend to look at sort of jigs as well at the same time, so how easy it is to be able to jig it, to then be able to use the robot. Sometimes there's a few changes to be made. The efficiency of the job I'm currently on is a large increase in production. Manually weld these parts, I would probably say for welding it could take up to a week, maybe 2 weeks, whereas on the robotic welding it could take 3 to 4 days. Setting up Fronius, obviously being a welder, you can adjust the settings quite easily, but there's also on Fronius there is an app that you can use. You say what thickness you're doing on the material and it will tell you the speed, the amps you need on, and the travel movement on the robot.